Dear viewers of On Wheels, first of all, let me wish all of you a very happy new year. तो आज आप देख सकते हो कि मैं एक लंबी राइड पे जा रहा हूँ। ये 31 दिसंबर 2020 की बात है। मैं जा रहा हूँ मेरे नेटिव प्लेस विच इज़ अराउंड 400 किलोमीटर्स फ्रॉम हियर। और ये बाइक पे ये मेरा सेकेंड टाइम है वहाँ पे जाने का। तो वहाँ पे जाने के लिए दो रास्ते हैं। एक तो आप जा सकते हो अहमदनगर से वाया शिरडी, बट रोड इज़ क्वाइट पथेटिक, तो मैं आपको वो रोड रिकमेंड नहीं करूँगा। मैं जा रहा हूँ वाया नासिक बिकॉज द रोड इज़ क्वाइट इंटरेस्टिंग।
1000 से कर बस्ते का बुक करो।
अगर आप पुणे से नासिक जा रहे हो या उससे आगे जा रहे हो तो मैं आपको रिकमेंड करूँगा कि आप थोड़ा जल्दी निकले। जैसे मैं 7 बजे निकला हूँ, फिर भी मुझे बहुत ट्रैफिक मिली। सो इफ़ यू लीव एट अराउंड 5 o'clock यू कैन अवॉइड ट्रैफिक ऑन दिस रोड। And don't overtake like this ever.
Okay, guys. So this is Pune Nasik highway. I have just reached Sakan, and now from this time onwards, we all are going to enjoy this ride because the road is pretty well. I have deliberately avoided, as I said, uh, the road from Ahmednagar because it is pathetic and this bike is not meant for those roads.
I have just crossed Pune and I have reached the highway now. रोड की कंडीशन थोड़ी ख़राब मुझे लग रही है कंपेयर टू लास्ट ईयर, बट जब मैं ये सनराइज़ देख रहा हूँ तो मुझे बहुत ही सुकून महसूस हो रहा है। पुणे नासिक रोड पे 2-3 पैचेस ऐसे आते हैं कि जहाँ पे 2 लेन रोड है बिकॉज रोड का काम अभी तक पूरा हुआ नहीं है। अदरवाइज 90% ऑफ द रोड इज़ 4 लेन्स। सुबह सुबह इतनी ट्रैफिक आपको मिलेगी। और ये जो बस अभी जा रही है ये मेरा पूरा सीन ब्लॉक कर रही है। ये घाट सेक्शन है, अभी मुझे ओवरटेक करना पड़ेगा ये गाड़ी को। आप देख सकते हो कि देखिए कितनी लंबी लाइन है, बट हमारा एडवांटेज ये है कि हम मोटरसाइकिल चला रहे तो ये ट्रैफिक हमारे लिए कुछ इतना मायने नहीं रखता। There is one thing I have realized in my life and that is to live your life to the fullest. जो भी आपकी हॉबीज़ है, जो भी आपका पैशन है, वो आप एंजॉय करो। For example, my hobby is to ride motorcycles. And let me tell you guys, it doesn't matter what motorcycles you have and what motorcycles you ride. What matters is your passion. There are a lot of YouTubers, there are a lot of travelers, solo travelers who travel across country on smaller capacity motorcycles, and they find riding those motorcycles quite interesting. So that is what is the most important thing in life. Well, I am easily maintaining the speed of above 90 kilometers per hour. The road is quite smooth now. There is no traffic and it is straight. One thing I have realized about the Pulsar AS200, it is one of the most underrated motorcycles in India. You will not understand its true potentials until you ride it on highways. This is that performance oriented motorcycle. एक बात मैंने नोटिस की है मेरे जर्नी पे, जब भी मैं मेरे गांव जाता हूँ नासिक से, कि आप पुणे अगर क्रॉस करते हो सुबह, सो सुबह आपको थोड़ी ठंडी लगती है, बाद में ठंडी चली जाती है ऑन योर वे टू नासिक। लेकिन जैसे आप नासिक के पास पहुँचते हो, इट डजेंट मैटर व्हाट द टाइम इज़, अगर 11 भी बजे तो आपको पुणे से भी ज़्यादा ठंडी आपको नासिक में महसूस होगी। और वही चीज़ मैं हमेशा नोटिस करता हूँ विंटर सीजन में। वन मोर 2 लेन रोड। अभी ये जो स्ट्रेट जा रहा है राइट साइड में, ये वो हाईवे, लेकिन अभी तक काम शायद पूरा हुआ नहीं है, इसलिए फिर हमें ये रूट लेना पड़ रहा है। By the way, has it ever happened with you that you're riding your motorcycle and you're thinking about some other motorcycle at the same time, and you're not actually enjoying your motorcycle there which you had once dreamt of buying? तो ये जो चीज़ है ना, ये हमें बहुत ही नाराज और निराश करती है। The best thing is not to think about anything else and just enjoy your rides the way, for example, I'm enjoying it right now.
Alright guys, so I just wanted to check my camera to see if it was working well. I am unable to, I guess I have covered around 100 kilometers, and now I want to take a breakfast break. My wife has already given me coffee, but I'm hungry now and I want to eat something. She has also given me tiffin which I'm going to have in the afternoon.
It really doesn't matter whether you like riding motorcycles or not, whether riding motorcycles is your hobby or not. But I would like to request everyone to take out your motorcycle once and go on a long journey. You will be away from your problems. You will not be thinking about your future. You will not be thinking about your present. You will not be thinking about your past. You will just enjoy the ride. And I'm very sure that that particular day will make you fall in love with motorcycles more. You cannot do these things probably when you are in a car. That is what my personal experience is. But when you are on a motorcycle, you can live your life to the fullest. This is one of my favorite patches on Pune-Nasik road. Can you see these strips here, white color strips? They look beautiful when you ride on them. And this particular corner I always enjoy riding on. Look at the road, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Okay guys, so I'm stopping here to have something. नाश्ता है क्या? नाश्ता Hi. Okay, so I'm going to have vada rasta. This is how I have mounted my luggage. Alright, so I have just had breakfast. I have covered 155 kilometers from home, and I am about to reach Sangamner, which is around 15 kilometers from here.
I have just checked Google Map to see which road will take me directly to Chandwad instead of going via Nasik. If the road is in good condition, I'll definitely choose that particular road.
दादा चांदवडला जायला कसं आहे हो? एक आतून रस्ता जातो बघा, नांदूर मार्गे काय असं
चांदवड का?
हा.
Well, finally, I have decided not to use that shortcut because I have just seen that the road is in bad condition. So I'm again on the highway. I have just crossed Nasik. Now this is Mumbai Agra highway. अभी ये हाईवे मुझे डायरेक्टली मेरे नेटिव प्लेस लेके जाएगा शिरपुर को. और थोड़ा पेट्रोल भी मैंने अभी डलवा लिया है बाइक में, थोड़ा कम हो गया था पेट्रोल बाइक में.
If you have SJ Cam 8 Pro and if you have the same problem, or if you're facing the same problem that I am facing with the external microphone, then let me give you a piece of advice. It's better not to use external microphone. Instead of that, you can directly speak without the external microphone. You know, here we go. Woo-hoo.
I have decided to cover 1000 kilometers on this journey. Pune to my native place. It is 400 kilometers. After reaching my native place, I'll visit nearby places and I will be able to cover around 200 kilometers there. On the 3rd, I'm going to Nasik to attend a wedding. So that is 200 kilometers there. I'll be joined by Uday Sonone. We both will attend the wedding and then we'll leave for Pune on the very same day. So overall, I'm very sure that I will be able to cover 1000 kilometers on this particular journey. So let's hope for the best. Finally, I have reached Shirpur. Thank you very much for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog.